glory of our institution. You are the patron of our formation. John Paul, you are the angel of the family. You are the masterpiece of Trinity. We praise you, Lord, the God of unity. You gave a John Paul for the family, to promote family, to nurture family and spread the gospel of love.
John Paul, you are the apostle of family. You are the champion of pro-life.
John Paul, you are the promoter of family. You are the icon of unity. We praise you, Lord, the God of unity. You gave us John Paul for the family, to promote family, to nurture family and spread the gospel of love.
John Paul, you're an inspiration for family. You make family witness to the whole world.